How to run an app as administrator without the prompt? When I start SQL Server Management Studio 2008, I get an error that's been around forever and is documented here. One of the suggestions to fix it that actually worked was to start ssms with Run as Administrator. So I modified the properties of the shortcut to always run it as the administrator. The only annoyance is that I get a prompt every single time asking whether I really want to do it. Is there a way to tell just this one program, ssms, to not pop up the prompt, while keeping this behavior for other apps?
Read the following forum post, How to Disable the User Account Control Prompt for Certain Application. It tells you basically, that you have to download Microsoft Application Compatibility Toolkit 5.6 and create a custom app fix database where you assign the run as admin fix to the exe. I tried it and I thought it worked. Another way is described in How to Create an Elevated Program Shortcut Without a UAC Prompt. This solution requires you to create a scheduled task for the application, and running the app means triggering the task. For a detailed description with screenshots, see the link. Run the task scheduler via tasks.msc and create task. Tab General, give the name to the new task, check Run with highest privileges and choose Windows 7. Windows Server 2008 or 2 from the drop-down list. Configure 4. Tab Actions, add new action. Start a program with program/script equals %vendor%system32 /cmd.exe, and add arguments equals /c start, name, C column /program files /sample /program.exe. Substitute name with the name of the task, step 1, and the fill in the path to the program which should run elevated. Tab Conditions, uncheck stop if the computer switches to battery power first, and then uncheck start the task only if the computer is on AC power. Create a new shortcut on the desktop or wherever with the following target location. Once again, name is the name of the task, step 1. Run is minimized if you don't want the command window to flash up. This shortcut and task can only be created and work while logged in as an administrator account. It will not work in a standard user account.
Solution without creating shortcuts. You can download the Microsoft Application Compatibility Toolkit. Just download it from www.microsoft.com. Once the toolkit is installed, the rest of the instructions are more complex, but they are very well detailed and explained in the link this URL. This solution is good for skipping the prompt when opening files that are associated to your application.
I doubt it. If such a thing were possible, every piece of malware would set that option, which would defeat the whole purpose. Just locate the main exe icon and right-click, then go to Properties and switch to Compatibility tab and press Change Settings to all users, then finally mark on Run this program as administrator and voila! The application won't ask any more for permissions.
Yes,